Good day, ladies and gentlemen. On this World Heart Day, we are reminded of the fact that the heart, which is our most vital organ, is also one of the most vulnerable. I, as a cardiac surgeon, see both sides of this reality daily. On one hand, because of modern technological advancements in the cardiac surgery, from beating heart to minimally invasive to robotic surgery, we are able to fix hearts and give patients a second chance at life. But on the other hand, I see far too many lives cut short because preventive steps were ignored. And that's a unique challenge with us in India, where the heart disease strikes younger population, which are in their most productive years of life. Let me ask you a simple question. How many of us remember our blood pressure numbers of the last month? We all remember to insure our cars annually, but do we ensure that we do the heart checkup regularly and insure our heart? Most people die of heart disease not because of the lack of the treatment, but because of lack of awareness. Trust me, many heart diseases are preventable. With healthy eating, regular exercises, avoiding tobacco, and controlling blood pressure, diabetes, and cholesterol, we can control a lot of these risk factors. My message today is simple. Let's not wait for the heart to demand our attention in the operation table. Let us take care of it daily by taking preventive steps and by improving our choices. Every step we walk, every cigarette we refuse, every healthy meal we eat is an investment in our healthy future. On this World Heart Day, let's pause and listen to our heart, not emotionally, but medically too. Get a checkup yourself and encourage your loved ones to get their checkup also. Make heart healthy living a family tradition, because a healthy heart is a foundation of a happy life. Thank you all and wish you all the very best.